Welcome to Mr. English Channel Academy.
Hello! Welcome back to Mr. English Channel Academy. Today we will practice 10 real English questions and answers you need every single day. Are you ready? Let's go.
Can you help me?
Yes, of course.
Could you explain this?
Sure, I'll explain it. Can you show me the way?
Yes. Follow me.
Can you help me carry this?
Of course I can.
Could you repeat that, please?
Sure. I'll say it again.
Can you please open the door?
Yes, no problem.
Can you lend me a pen?
Sure. Here you go. Could you help me with my homework?
Yes, I'd be happy to help. Can you take a photo for me?
Of course. Could you give me some advice?
Sure. What's the problem? Now it is your turn. Which of these 10 phrases do you use most in your daily life? Tell us in the comments below.
If this video helped you, please give it a big like and subscribe to Mr. English Channel Academy for new lessons every week. See you in the next video.
Bye!